Hello, YouTube. You ever wondered how hard it is to change a 2001 to 2005 Honda Civic trunk lid? It's about this easy. You ready? Boom. This one's a little tricky. You have to push your finger on the top. Ah, sorry, I'm being shaky here. We're trying to impromptu here. Again, push, pull out, push, pull out. Easy. Just give them a little pinch. Alright, pull that one out. Your cable, it runs all the way up through here. All you have to do is pull that out and unhook it there. You're going to want to change your lock. So 1 bolt, 2 bolt, and you just have to pull your harness through. That's it. So, oh, almost missed one. There we go. Of course, being gentle so you don't break stuff. And out she comes. Here's a zip tie here. Cut that, unbolt, 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 unbolt. Pretty easy. Ah, not quite. Other thing you have to do, flick that to the side, pull down. Now, your lock cylinder will just pull out. See how that came out there? Now, your lock cylinder will just pull out. Done. No need to change your key. Again, 10 mil. I can just feel the excitement. Carefuling. Ah! No need to cut that one. Oh, just kidding. You don't have to cut any of this. You're already free. Enough said? Tune in next time for where we put this thing on. Alright. To install, just set her down about yonder. Bolt. Bolt. I don't know, throw the rest of them somewhere handy. Maybe up there. Either get your buddy, someone who owes you money or something. Just lift up. Only put one in. 2, 3, 4. You're back on. You're back in the game. We are going to continue installing our harness. by pushing our connectors through.
Now the best part about this is it's pretty hard to screw it up. Because these plugs only fit one way. And they only kind of reach about to where they're supposed to go. Now, because of how much of a pain in the butt that was last time, I'm going to push it in that way and poke my connector through this way. So the next time, you just pinch that and it comes out. Same with this. Oh, you can't put it in upside down. But just understand it's a pain in the butt. Plug, plug, plug. Plug. Snap, 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 snap. Nope. Plug. Yeah, that does go there. Sorry about that. Alright. E-brake cable. I accidentally took this off. I really didn't need to. I think she goes there. Okay. Feed her up and in. All the way through. Coming out here. See if we can get some extra length here. Okay, ball goes in, as I said, push up, slide through, hook in, and then if we remember, that just goes there. You got a trunk again. Okay, lock cylinder. Where's the lock cylinder? Ah, lock cylinder, bolt, bolt. Again, just gets pushed up in. Okay, turn that, push, and clip. Trunk's installed. That's how easy it is.
Thanks again for watching, and see you guys next time. Bye for now.